Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous little coach for you today, and I love this. This is the Coach Mini Bennett Satchel, and I just think it's a really gorgeous little bag. It's kind of a nice miniature bowling shape, which I just think it's a nice sophisticated shape, but because of the size, it's just really cute as well. So I'm going to talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then we have got a removable strap, which is adjustable as well. So we've got it on the shortest set at the minute, but we've got quite a few options to make it longer, and it just clips on to either side nice and easily. So if you fancy wearing it without the strap, then you can just have it with those double top handles as well. And then we've got the Coach dog tag attached to the handles, and we have a zip top closure. And inside, that zip is really nice, nice smooth zip, nice and easy to use. We've got the Coach badge inside in front of the zipped pocket. And then on the opposite side, we've got one flat pocket. The condition of it is really nice. So we've called it very good all around. There's just a little mark on one of these top handles. And I wouldn't even say it's wear. You can just see, it kind of looks a little bit dull in one patch. The rest of that leather is really nice and glossy. Catches the light really nicely, but just one small little patch that's a little bit dull. I wouldn't say that's wear or kind of a sign of use. It's just kind of a natural little thing in the leather. But that is just on that double top handle on the front of there. And then we have a little bit of wear along the bottom here. You can see a very slight bit of marking there. But the rest of it is a really nice condition. That shape is really nice, you can see, especially from the sides. It is a soft leather, so you can see it kind of bends in a little bit at the back. But once you start using it, that will sort itself out. So that's why I've called the exterior very good condition. The hardware, again, we've called very good. If you look closely at this zip, you'll be able to see a little bit of wear on there. But mostly, it is in a very nice condition. It's got a really nice pale gold tone to it, which looks really nice with the black leather. And most of that hardware is perfect. So that is why I've called the hardware very good condition. And then the interior, again, we've called very good condition. There's a very, very slight amount of marking right on the base, on the fabric, but the rest of it is really nice. And all that hardware works perfectly in there. And there's nothing, no kind of faults to the interior. So that is why I've called the interior very good condition. I'll just get it closed and show you what it comes with. So we have the Coach dust bag, and if you love this bag, don't forget you can find it on our website, and the link to shop is the link in the description below. So if you click that, it should hopefully take you straight to this mini Bennett on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if, like me, you've fallen in love with it, let us know. We can get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. Before you do that though, make sure you wait here while I show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". Again, this strap we've got on the shortest setting at the minute, which for me is the perfect crossbody length. But if you prefer a longer strap, we've got a few options for that as well. You can have it on your shoulder with this strap too. It's a nice thin leather strap, so it's just nice and comfortable to wear. And then you can also have it just with those top handles, and you can just hold it with those top handles like that. Even though it is a mini size, you've actually got loads of space in there because of the shape. You can fit a lot into there, but it's still nice and lightweight. So have a look at it on our website. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.